Good morning, children. I am Veena. I welcome you back to Module 3 of the chapter Models. In Module 2, we discussed about the usage of will, would, shall, and should. And in this Module 3, we will discuss about the usage of must, need to, and used to. So now, let us discuss about the usage of the modal must. Must is used to indicate force or necessity. And the example is, you must go to the supermarket today. Let me give you some more examples like this. You must read this book before you read that. You must phone me before your visit. Yes, children, must is also used to indicate possibility or a logical conclusion. Like, you must be tired. The other examples are like this. The boy is running. He must be late for school. The ground is wet. It must have rained during night. The next usage of must is to indicate advice. For example, you must see the new film with Brad Pitt. Okay, I give you one more example. You must consult your parents on this important issue. Besides these uses, must is also used to indicate obligation. For example, you must pay your fees by the 10th. You must behave well or leave the class. So now let us discuss need to. Before I start explanation of need to, I would like to tell you about need first. Need is chiefly used in interrogative and negative. It indicates obligation or necessity. For example, need I teach you even basic rules of courtesy? But if I talk about need to, it is used to express that something is important for you to do. This form is usually used for something that is important one time rather than referring to a responsibility or duty. For example, she needs to go to Seattle next week. Do you need to get up early tomorrow? I need to spend more time with my children because I have been so busy lately. We need to focus on getting new business this week. So now let us move to discuss the usage of used to. Yes, children, used to is used to say that something happened continuously or frequently during a period in the past. And the examples of the same are, that's why my father always used to say. I did not used to like him much when we were at school. Didn't you used to have long hair? I used to think that it would be a great idea to live there. We used to go sailing on the lake in summer. She used to work for a larger insurance company. I used to play a lot of football. You used to see a lot of her, didn't you? So today we discussed about must, need to, and used to. I hope you understood well. Thank you.